Alright, up next I'm showing off is my Hoover Turbopower 1700 upright vacuum. I've had this now for over 10 years. I picked it up from the thrift store. I can't remember how much, but I seem to recall it's a good deal like all of my other finds. So this was the condition it was in when I found it. Unfortunately, as you can see, it does have a hose, but you can see that the way to hold the hose on is cracked, so it doesn't really properly hold the hose on like it should. I did do some refurbishing to this, not too thoroughly. I mean, I was attempting to, but I seem to recall that I stopped. It's probably right when I accidentally cracked this when I was taking the headlight lens off. So that's when I decided to stop with the refurbishing. And I think I also took the light bulb out, put it on the floor somewhere, and I accidentally stepped on it and shattered it. So this does not have the light bulb on it, unfortunately, and neither does the belt as well. I did, however, robbed the bag from my Elite 2. I just got done taping and put it onto here. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. Happy to have one because this is a childhood machine of mine. My uncle had one of these before that I went over before and saw it once, and then it got replaced by something else, of course. Never used it, but from what I recall, the cord was so tangled that even as a little kid, I could not even properly wind the cord up. So, and this may not exactly be the one that he had, because perhaps the one he had before had the different decals on, because I remember there was another 1700 model that had different decals on it that I probably should have picked up, not to mention it's even in better condition than this one. I mean, with just the way that the hose holder broke and such. But nonetheless, it's a 1700. It's the closest that I've remembered from his house, so at least I have a good memory of this one, but I don't as much with the other vacuum he had before as well. He did had a Eureka Bravo hard case that was blue with headlight, but I just can't remember what model it was. It was like probably one of the more rare models. I mean, something I've really would have a hard time with finding images of online and such. So it does have all the attachments on, which is rare to find on a vacuum. And also it's rare for me to find a Elite that has the a good nozzle on to where it doesn't wobble funny. Underneath here, I think this is a replacement brush roll because the bristles are green. So there's the info there. And like all other Elites, I like him. I think they're good machines for what they are. I still prefer the soft bag models, but if you put a synthetic cloth bag on it, it's still better than, say, like a cheap $40 Bissell. Anyways, without further ado, I will go ahead and run this machine. Ooh, did not like the sound of that. I'm sure that's because it sat outside for quite so long. And I still don't prefer the side switches on these. Definitely a lot more airflow than my Elite 2, probably because it has more power on it. But even though it has amazing airflow on the cleaner head, it still doesn't have as much power like on a 7-amp Tech Drive Kirby. Anyways, hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.